For this eye, we will require pencil, scale, coin, eraser. Here we start with drawing a plus. Now we will draw a circle in the middle. Now we will mark a parallel line to the horizontal line. Here we draw 3 similar circles. Now mark the middle of the circle and join the points. Now we will draw the basic structure of an eye. The middle circle will be pupil of an eye. Now going to another step, here we draw iris of an eye. This is the darkest part of our drawing. The upper line is almost dark. Now we will draw the basic structure of our eyelashes. Now we will go to another step. Give a first layer of shading to the pupil. This will be another layer. This is important to give it a 3D effect. Hence we go with the next step, that is detailing of eyelashes. Make a light shading for the 3D effect. Going to the next step, now we will highlight the eyelashes. Make sure that your pencil is enough sharp. Now we will draw fine lines in the pupil which make it more attractive. Now going to our last step, that is making the highlights. Finally, we will give highlights and complete our eye. These are some reflected eyelashes that we have drawn in the picture. Here we completed with our eye. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to draw realistic eye with basic 3 circles. Stay tuned to watch our next episode in which we are going to learn how to draw a nose.